Brand new street and brand new me. Side by friends I need. Don't you tell me that you're in town, I already know. Couple days ago.
Hi everyone, I'm Bridgetta and today I'm making bacon cheeseburger sliders. You're going to need bacon, of course, onion, diced tomatoes, Worcestershire sauce, ground meat, cheddar cheese, butter, brown sugar, King's Hawaiian rolls, you're going to need 18 of those, Dijon mustard, salt and pepper, and sesame seeds. Whenever possible, I like to shred my own cheese. That was fast. Now we're going to chop up the onion. You're going to want it chopped fine. I'm going to set the oven to 350. While I finish my last prep work. I'm going to need 1 cup of cheese. I'm measuring that out. My freshly shredded cheese. And I'll need another cup later on in the recipe. Okay, that's ready. Got to spray each pan. Now the reason I have 2 pans is because 18, which is what it called for, won't all fit in one dish. So I'm going to have 12 here and 6 over here. And actually, I couldn't find an 18-piece package of Hawaiian rolls, so I had to buy 2 12s. So I'm going to spray with Pam. And then I got to cut the rolls in half. Pull off the top. I'm going to set the bottom down in that pan and do this. We're going to use our 1 cup of cheese and put it all across the bottom. Spread it out. So that's just going to warm in the oven for a few minutes to melt the cheese before we do our next steps. Now we're going to put these in the oven for 3 to 5 minutes. We're just melting the cheese. So you're going to have to keep an eye on it. Our next step is at the stove. We're going to cook our ground meat. So this is 1 pound of ground beef. Which you could also mix, if you don't want to do ground beef, you could do half sausage, half turkey, or all turkey, maybe pork. But it is called the cheeseburger slider. Okay, just a second. I'm going to add the onions too. We're going to let our ground meat and our onions drain while we get our other ingredients ready. All right, I've drained the ground meat and the onions. Now I'm going to add our other ingredients. Our next thing is going to be diced tomatoes. Now you have options here. You can get these Rotel, diced tomatoes and green chilies. There's other kinds, other flavors you can get. This one's no salt, diced tomatoes. You can even use crushed tomatoes if that's what you prefer, that's what you have in your pantry. You can even use real tomatoes, chop them up yourself, add a little salt and pepper or Italian seasoning. But I'm using what I have here. So the whole can, you don't need to drain anything. And we have Worcestershire sauce. We have salt and pepper. and Dijon mustard. Again, if you just want to use yellow mustard, that would be fine too. It's not really going to change the taste. Or if you don't like mustard at all, want to keep that out, it's not going to affect it that much. So we're going to stir this up. That's only going to be for a few minutes. Once it's incorporated, then we're going to put it on top of our bottoms of the Hawaiian rolls. Our next step is to put our ground meat mixture on top of our buns. And spread it out as evenly as possible. All right, next is our cheese. And we're just going to top that. Our freshly shredded cheese. The original recipe calls for 12 slices of cooked bacon, cut up or crumbled, but I had a package of these and I want to use these up. They're cheaper, it's certainly faster, because I didn't have to take the time to cook them and chop them up. So that's another option. And that made it so much easier. Okay. We're going to put our tops on, and then we're going to make our topping that's going to go on top of the rolls. Our final step is the topping or the glaze that's going to go on top of the buns. So we have a stick of butter that's been melted, or brown sugar, Worcestershire sauce. This is our Dijon mustard. And our sesame seeds. And these are optional, but it really makes it look great when it's all done. So I'm going to stir that up. Try and pour this as evenly as possible, so each one gets some butter and seasonings. And then we're going to put it in the oven for about 18 to 20 minutes, I believe. Oh, that looks good with the sesame seeds on top. All right, they're ready to come out. Oh, wow. That looks beautiful. Oh, correction on the time. It was 20 to 25 minutes in the oven. And we're going to let them cool for about 10 minutes before eating because they're going to be hot. But they look perfect.
Ooh, this looks good.
Ah. So, bacon cheeseburger sliders. Yum. This would be great for a party.
Definitely a fork for this one.
Yes. I'm even going to cut mine in half.
Oh my gosh.
You could pick it up, but I have a feeling I'd drop most of it.
This has got a kind of a hearty, sloppy Joe taste to it.
It does. Well, and we love the Hawaiian sweet rolls.
Delicious.
Maybe I can pick it up. Okay. Very good.
Yum.
I like that.
All right, I'm digging in.
Yum. Yep. 2 thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Of course, the recipe will be in the description box. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Sorry, I still have food in my mouth. We'll see you again soon with more recipes.
Bye, friends.
Bye.
Brand new street and brand new me. Side by friends I need. Don't you tell me that you're in town. I already know. Couple days ago. Hey, now that our names are written in stone, let's be honest, sounds like home. Still I'm here alone and I'm calling your phone. I wish I could wipe my own memory out. I wish I could dream about somebody else. I wish I could talk when the silence so loud. I wish, oh I wish. I wish I could wipe my own memory out. I wish I could do something that will make sense. I wish I would know what you're thinking about. I wish I could wipe my own memory out. I would die if I saw you now.